It's looking pretty good in the fall time. I could not stunt. Yo, what is going on today, fam? So we are back again today. And today, I just want to take some time just because we're about to start digging into the Civic a bit more, going through, doing some things. I want to take the time just to weigh it just before things got crazy. This Civic is mostly stock, hold for a set of wheels, with tires, obviously, and then a set of coilovers. That's all it has. But I actually want to take the time today just to get it weighed at its factory weight, just before we go, you know, changing a bunch of different suspension components and a bunch of different things. That way we can see what these weigh just totally stock. I kind of wish I had the OEM wheels up on it and tires, just, you know, like just because they're a little bit lighter, just because they were so small, but it's all good. For those of y'all that don't know, so this is my 1994 Honda Civic right here. This is actually a Civic LS, all right? This is a European spec vehicle. I actually brought this back with me from Germany. Extremely low mileage on this vehicle, and everything's fully stock. Everything's fully stock. It has, at the time of recording, 53,363 kilometers on the clock. That's about 32,000 miles, all right? So this car is pretty mint. Stock seats, as you can see right here, still full interior all over the place. This car has power steering. It does have power. Ooh, I popped the wrong one. It does have power steering, but it does not have AC. So it would definitely be just interesting to see what this weighs stock. As you see in the rear, full interior as well. It even still has this little panel right here, which is super awesome. So I'm keen on going to preserve this thing the best I can. So let me go ahead, show y'all right quick. Oh no. Pop the hood right here. So this thing has a carbureted D15 engine inside of it. This is the stock engine, obviously. This was a carby model. In the US, all of the EGs we had were fuel injected, but in Europe, some of the lower spec cars did actually come carbureted, and this is one of them right here. This car was not optioned from the factory with AC, so there's no AC condenser or anything right there. But it did come from the factory with actual power steering. It's pretty dope. So that's that. Pretty cool. But yeah. So all stock, all that good stuff. Pretty clean car overall. Oh, I have a front lip as well, but that's like a pound or two. Won't add too much to overall weight. This vehicle is equipped with a sunroof, all right? It's kind of strange, right? You can option a car with a sunroof but no AC. Kind of strange to me. But either way, this is the cleanest Civic that I could find when I was looking to buy mine in Germany, and I'm happy with my choice. So let's go and try to get the stock weight for this thing. That's what the goal is today. Let's figure out how much this thing weighs stock. That way, when we're done with our build, then we have a reference to see if we lost weight, or if we added weight, or if we even just broke even. So let's hop in the car. I'm gonna try to get it weighed at my local dump, just because they usually have a full vehicle scale. So I'm gonna talk to the people there, and hopefully they'll allow us to weigh our vehicle. All right, so see y'all there. All right, y'all, so we're gonna get our actual weight at this certified scale here at a Love's gas station. Unfortunately, it's so tall, I don't know if I'll actually be able to reach it. That freaking sucks. Okay, yeah. All right, dope. So we're gonna try this out, see how it works. I've never done this before, so. Oh yes, hi. So I'm just trying to, I just weigh my vehicle.
Is this a military way?
Excuse me, ma'am?
Is this a military way?
Is this a military way?
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Okay, what's your plate number?
It is, it's 3603X.
3603X?
Yes, ma'am.
All Alright, we got the weight. You can come inside and get the ticket.
Ma'am?
We have the weight. You can pull inside, park your car, and then pull back inside to get the ticket.
Got you. And so do I come into the speed co part?
No, come into the back side of the store.
So the main store?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, so question, so I'm trying to get the weight, and so with me not, so standing up on the scale, and so could you get it again, please? And with me standing off the scale?
Yeah, 1 second.
Okay, thank you.
I'm just gonna get your name instead of your license plate for this one.
Okay.
Okay, what's the last name?
And so it's Booker, B-O-O-K-E-R?
Alright, we got it.
Okay, cool. And so in the back of the main store, you said, correct?
Yeah, so the diesel side of the main store, yes.
Okay. All right, ma'am. I appreciate it. Thank you. Moment of truth right here. So this was the vehicle weight without me standing on it, and it was 2,180 pounds, so just under 2,200 pounds. I think that's extremely dope. And this is a certified truck scale as well, so should be pretty accurate. You know, this is what they weigh the tractor trailers on, but that's our starting weight right there. So this is definitely a pretty lightweight car. But then again, we don't have AC and all that stuff, so it makes sense why it's only 2,180 pounds, because you know, I feel like AC would add about 20 pounds most likely. So that's pretty dope, man. That is pretty dope. I'm stoked. So now we just have a baseline of what this car actually weighs, of what you know, we can use this as a general, like, what does an EG hatch actually weigh? So pretty dope, man. I am stoked on it. So yeah, I'm gonna go head back to my house, then we'll close out this video. I'll give my final thoughts, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. All right, y'all, so we're back at the home office. All right, so we're about to just go ahead and wrap up this video. But yeah, man, so 2,180, that's the final weight, which pretty light. I'm surprised. I thought it'd be like 2,200 and some change, but a little bit lighter than that, so pretty dope. So for those of y'all that don't know, so my plan with this car is to actually go to K-swap it. I actually have the K20A2, K20A2 trans, ECU, all that good stuff, wiring harness, all chilling right now as I'm just starting to collect parts for the K-swap. It's gonna be real interesting to see where the final weight ends up with the car, whether we lose weight or maybe gain a bit of weight, you know, changing out the seats in the car, doing a whole K-swap in it, doing a rear disc conversion, putting Integra stuff in its place. So, you know, we're definitely gonna be adding weight to the car, but it's gonna be cool to see if we actually break even or not, or maybe even lose a little bit of weight, you know. So my intent with this was to just get a baseline though, that way, so we have some idea of just where we start, just before we start getting crazy with the modifications, so that way when we're done, then we have a basis to actually go off of. So this piece of paper, I'm definitely gonna keep this just for my records. But I hope you like the video. So if you're just interested in following my K-swap journey and just, you know, like seeing what my car ends up becoming, make sure you definitely like and subscribe. You know, we could definitely use the support, you know, because people who want to come on board to sponsor it wants to know we have people to actually watch the videos. So you'll be doing me a great solid. But take it easy. I'm out.